This is the YouTube short feeds. Once your video is locked, you can't get to the short feed. An algorithm will not get any signal about your video. And when algorithm got no signal about your video, you won't get any views because there's no way you will be pushed to the recommendation of the short feed. I have spent the last 60 days cracking the code. I've racked up to 60,000 subscribers and $600 just from short by using this exact strategy, this solution and secret method to crack the algorithm and get to million views on each of my shorts. Today, I'm showing you the secret method that many people are gatekeeping for you. I'm confident that after this tutorial, you will start going viral on most of your YouTube shorts. So, worry no more. You have found the right video today. Let's head over to the studio. I have the blueprints to unlock your channel and get your shorts into the short feed recommendation. Let's go.
You are not uploading your shorts the right way. When you upload the wrong way, YouTube does not send your shorts into short feeds. And if your video is not in the short feed, no one will see it. I started this my channel about 2 months ago, and I've been able to rack up to 60,000 subscribers and over $600 from shorts. In this tutorial, I will show you the proven tricks I use to get more views on my YouTube shorts. I know you are feeling worried because your YouTube short are stuck on 0 views, or maybe just a few views like 5 or 10. You work hard to post your videos and nobody is watching. It feels bad, right? Let me tell you something very important. It is not always your fault. It is not always your video. Most times, the reason is because you are not uploading your shorts the right way. When you upload the wrong way, YouTube does not send your shorts into short feeds. And if your video is not in the short feed, no one will see it. I started this my channel about 2 months ago, and I've been able to rack up to 60,000 subscribers and over $600 from shorts. In this tutorial, I will show you the proven tricks I use to get more views on my YouTube shorts. Then I will take you step by step the right way to upload shorts. And also, I will explain to you factors like should you use mobile or computer, what to do with hashtags, how to write description and tags, and the best time to post. Now, the first question is why your short gets 0 views? Why your shorts get 0 views? When you upload a short, you might think YouTube show it to everyone. That is not true. YouTube first show your short to a small group of people. This is called a test. So if those people now watch and enjoy, then YouTube says, let us show it to more people. Then like that, and like that. That is how you get a trendy video. So if those people now swipe away quickly, then YouTube says, let us stop showing it. That means that video is not valuable or is not of quality. But sometimes, YouTube does not even test your video in the short feed. It leaves your video in search where only a few people will ever find it. That is why you see 5 views or 10 views or 20 views and nothing more. So our first goal is simple. We must make YouTube send your short to the short feed. It is so easy to get views on short because when people swipe through short, they can easily see videos without thumbnail or even searching your title or anything, because that is where the magic happens. Now, the next one is warm up your account. You heard me right. Warm up your account. If your channel is brand new, you cannot just start posting right away. Think of YouTube like, let's say, a club. If someone walks in, says nothing, talks to no one, and sits in a corner talking with their mind, or let me say talking in their mind, everyone will ignore them. No one will ever talk to them or move close to them. So it is the same on YouTube. You have to show YouTube that you are a real person. So here is what you do. After you create your channel, do not post for 1 week or 2 weeks. Instead, watch videos, like some videos on YouTube, watch videos on YouTube, leave comments that make sense, subscribe to a few channels you actually enjoy. Spend time on YouTube like a normal person. So when YouTube sees this, it says this is a real human, not a robot. Then you are now ready to post. Here is my own step-by-step posting schedule. So when you start posting, take your time. Do not rush. For your first 6 shorts, post 1 video every other day. Yes, I mean post 1 video per day. So let me explain that part properly for you. Post your first video today. Wait a full day. When I say a full day, I mean a full 24 hours. Post the second video the next day. Then wait again. Then repeat these steps until you have posted 6 videos. Now, this will take about 2 weeks. Then after that, you can post once a day, not twice a day, once a day. Not 3 times a day, only once a day. Because if you post too much, YouTube might think you are spamming their platform. Slow and steady is the key. Don't just start posting like 5, 10, 20 shots in a day because you are desperate for views or let me say monetization. No, keep it slow and steady. Now, let me show you how to upload the right way, step by step. First thing to do is do not upload from a computer browser. Yes, you heard me right. Do not upload from a computer browser. When you upload from a browser, you cannot add trending music and you cannot choose a custom thumbnail. Instead, upload from your phone. Use the phone mobile app or the YouTube Studio app. Now, this is it. Before you upload, go to the Play Store or App Store. Check if your YouTube app or Studio apps needs an update. So if you see an update button, that means you have an older version of the app. Press update and wait. Only upload after you have updated your app. Do this every time you want to upload. Now, open the YouTube app. Press the plus button. Select your video. Wait for it to process. Don't rush. Let your video process. Give it time. Then, add a popular song or trending music.
No. No.
Adjust the volume so that your main audio is still clear. Now, tap next. Tap the little pencil in the corner. Pick the most exciting frame from your video, like just scroll your hand from the video screen. Now we move to titles and hashtags. Your title is very important. Make it short, make it strong. When I say make it short and make it strong, here's what I'm talking about. Your first two words in your title are the most important part. Write them in capital letters. For example, iPhone 16 secret. Or let me say garden hack works. So the garden and the hacks should be capital letter, while the works can just come with uppercase, then the rest small letter. Then after your title, add one hashtag, just one or two. For example, on my short, because I have a comedy channel, I use only keywords like funny and short as my hashtag. Do not add more hashtags in the title. It will mess up everything. Just find a strong keyword related to your niche. Then you can support it with hashtag short. That is it. We cannot skip this part. Video quality, it matters. If your video is dark or blurry, people will swipe away. Make sure your video is vertical. When I say vertical, it's full size. Make sure it has at least 720p video quality. Better still, 1080p, or you might leave it in 4K. Those are the recommended quality video. Add some edits like text, zoom, or sound effects. Make it fun to watch. Do not just repost someone else's video without editing. Don't say because, wow, this video is trending, let me just take it, cut it, and put it on your channel. No, transform it. Add funny sound if it is a comedy video. If it is entertainment, add swoosh, add effects, make it fun to watch. That is it. Now we move to watch time and who. YouTube look at how long people watch your video. If your video is 60 seconds, people should watch at least 45 seconds. Yes, you heard me right. 45 seconds out of your 60 seconds. If your video is 30 seconds, people should watch at least 25 seconds. If your video is 15 seconds, people should watch the whole thing, maybe even twice. So that is when YouTube now recommend that video, or they count it as qualified views. One trick is to loop your video. When I talk about looping, make the end connect to the start. Some viewers will watch it again without noticing when your beginning and the end look alike. So this help your watch time, because the more people watch it more than once, the more it gets recommended and the more watch time you get on that short. That is it. Make it engaging from beginning to the end. So that is it. Don't just because you want to have more watch time, you now upload boring 2-minute short. If it is 30 seconds and engaging, it's okay. The more people watch from beginning to the end, even watch twice. So the more watch time you have, so the more YouTube will recommend that video. So we move to the next one, which is the best time to upload. Some people get more views by uploading at night when fewer people are uploading. Try uploading at 1 in the morning or 2 in the morning. Also, weekends are great. Friday night, Saturday morning, or Sunday afternoon. Yes, I have reasons for saying all of this because people are more relaxed and watching more content during the weekend or late hour. That is it. But the biggest question now is, what if you still get 0 views? If you follow all these steps and you still get 0 views, don't panic. Some videos will not work. That happens to everyone, even big creators. Just ignore that and keep posting. Keep learning. That is it. Because each video you post is a practice. But if you have posted 10 videos or more and none of them enter the short feed, consider opening a new account. Warm up the new account for 1 or 2 weeks, like I explained before, then start again. Sometimes a fresh start works faster than trying to fix a broken account. I will give you extra tips to keep you going. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone will grow at a different speed. Some people go viral on their first video. Some people take 30 videos. Yes, you heard me right. Some people take 30 videos. Your time will come if you keep going. Always check your analytics in YouTube Studio so that you can know how you are doing with your videos. See where your viewers are coming from. So those are what we call targeted audience. Are they coming from short feeds? Are they coming from search? If they are not coming from short feed, follow this tutorial again and check each step. Remember, quality matters more than quantity. Yes, one good shot is better than 10 random shots. So if you don't have a good video to post, rest for that day, then come another day. That is it. Focus on your hook, focus on your thumbnail, focus on your title, improve a little bit every day. If you try plan A, it didn't work. Tomorrow, try plan B. The next one, try plan C. So when you finally get your plan, stick to it. That is how YouTube Short works. When you know what works for your channel, stick to that style. You do not need fancy camera or expensive gears. You just need to follow the right steps. Warm up your account. I keep saying that. It is very important to warm up your account. Upload from the right app. Use trending music. For example, you can add a custom thumbnail if your video does not have one. Write a clear title. Write a good description. Post at the right time and be patient. YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to take time, work harder, and be focused. Thank you for spending this time with me. I believe in you. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section and I'll be attending to every question. If this was helpful, please subscribe and like this video. I will see you in my next video. Keep creating, keep focusing. Thank you.